Hello, ma'am. Welcome to BW Business World.
Thank you.
We have few questions for you today.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with innovation.
All right.
What do you think is harder today, implementing ethically or innovating responsibly?
I think they are very different questions. One is about innovation, one is about implementation. And ethics by itself is a separate issue altogether. It depends on what you're trying to innovate for or what you're trying to solve for, right? So once you know what you're trying to solve for, there are two ways of approaching it. If you want quick, speedy results without looking at the collateral damage that might create, because you can innovate both ways, right? If you look at things you want to do very quickly without looking at the collateral damage attached, that's one way of innovating. Doing things probably more responsibly may take a little more time, but it is still innovation, but innovation for the longer term, right? So for me, I think what we are solving for, how we are solving for, and what is the use case are the three aspects that will decide the speed of innovation, the use of innovation, and the ethics around innovation.
Ma'am, in social impact, scale often comes at a cost of empathy, right? So, do you think technology can truly scale compassion or it risks standardizing human problems?
Look, compassion is human, right? No machine, no technology, nobody can actually replicate compassion because it's an intrinsically, deeply human thing that is triggered by different stimulus, right? When I see a child crying, the compassion I feel will be very different when I see, let's say, somebody hurting an animal, right? But they all come from a good place of empathy and compassion. A machine picks up data points, right? A machine can create algorithms, a machine can create solutions, but compassion, empathy are things that are so deeply human that no machine can replicate them, number one. Number two, each of us come to a place from where we have grown up, what we have learned, our socialization processes. So our reaction to the stimulus in front of us will also be driven by that, which from a machine perspective is going to be very standard. So I think compassion and empathy are deeply human, and no matter how evolved a machine is, we will never have a machine reaching there.
Perfect. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.